the best Netgear Nighthawk Wi-Fi settings. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're using a Netgear Nighthawk router and want to get the absolute best performance out of it, whether it's for gaming, streaming, or just keeping a stable connection all over your home, this video is for you. Today, we'll walk you through the best settings to optimize your Netgear Nighthawk Wi-Fi. This tutorial covers everything from speed tweaks and security to range improvements and device prioritization. So, grab your phone or laptop, log into your router, and let's get into it. Open a browser and navigate to www.routerlogin.net or type 192.168.1.1 in the address bar. Enter your admin username and password. The default is usually admin and password, unless you've changed it. In case you've changed the password, fill in the updated one. Once you reach the dashboard, go to the wireless settings section. Make sure both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands are enabled. This gives your devices options depending on range and speed. Rename both networks with clear names, something like home_2G and home_5G, so you know which one you're connecting to. Set the 2.4 GHz channel to 1, 6, or 11, pick the one with the least interference in your area. For 5 GHz, try channel 36 or 40. Change the Wi-Fi mode for 2.4 GHz to up to 600 megabits per second and 5 GHz to up to 1300 megabits per second if your model supports it. Enable WPA3 or WPA2 security. Never leave your network open or use outdated WEP encryption. Turn on Smart Connect if available. It lets the router automatically steer devices to the best frequency band. Go to Advanced Settings and enable Beamforming. This helps the router send a stronger, targeted signal to your devices. If your router supports it, turn on MU-MIMO for better performance with multiple devices connected at once. Check the QoS, quality of service, settings and prioritize devices like gaming consoles or work laptops that need consistent speed. Head to the Attached Devices section and look for anything unfamiliar. Kick off any devices you don't recognize. Update your router firmware by going to Administration Firmware Update. Keeping it up to date improves stability and speed. Set a new strong admin password to protect your settings from unauthorized access. Disable WPS, Wi-Fi protected setup. It's convenient but can be a security risk. Under Guest Network, enable a separate Wi-Fi name and password for visitors. Keep it on a different subnet if possible. If your router allows, schedule automatic reboots once a week. This keeps things running smoothly. Reduce interference by moving your router away from microwaves, cordless phones, or thick walls. Finally, test your changes with a speed test on a device connected to the 5 GHz network. You should see noticeable improvements. And there you go, the best settings to get the most out of your Netgear Nighthawk router. If this video helped you speed things up or helped you make your Wi-Fi more reliable, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech walkthroughs and hit the bell so you never miss a video update. If you've questions or you want us to cover a different router model, drop it in the comments. We'll do our best to help you out. Thank you for watching.